A portable air conditioner is exactly what it sounds like, a mobile device that delivers cool air where and when you need it the most. These air conditioners are much less expensive than whole house central air conditioning systems and don't need to be parked on a windowsill like a traditional room air conditioner. Portable air conditioners can be carried from the bedroom to the office to the living room, and they can be easily packed and stored for the winter. Let's dive into the best models of 2024, shall we? For those seeking exceptional bang for their buck, the Serene Life SLPA C10 stands out as the top pick for an affordable portable air conditioner in 2024. This model shines with its remarkable ease of mobility and straightforward setup process. While it performs solidly across various metrics, its affordability is a standout feature, offering substantial savings without compromising on quality. Setting up the SLPA C10 is refreshingly simple. It features an adjustable window kit that effortlessly extends to fit your space, enabling most to have it operational in mere minutes using just basic tools. The unit's design also considers ease of movement. At a relatively modest 55 pounds and equipped with well-designed handles, relocating it from one floor to another is hardly a hassle. Its wheels glide smoothly over diverse surfaces, from hardwood floors to plush carpets. In terms of cooling performance, the SLPA C10 efficiently lowers the temperature in medium-sized rooms by approximately 6.3 degrees within an hour. Moreover, it operates quietly, maintaining noise levels between 52 and 56 dBs, ensuring minimal disturbance. Diving into specifics, this compact AC unit not only cools, but also serves as a dehumidifier and fan. It comes with an automatic swing mode, which directs the airflow evenly throughout the room for optimal cooling. The user-friendly digital control panel allows easy adjustments of settings like power, mode, timer, temperature, and fan speed. Additional features, including a unit selector and a sleep function, are easily accessible via the included remote control. Given its price point, the Serene Life SLPA C10 exceeds expectations, offering a blend of performance, convenience, and affordability that's hard to beat. Moving on to another standout option in our lineup, let's delve into the Black & Decker BPACT 14WT, hailed as the premier choice for a mid-range portable air conditioner in 2024. This model distinguishes itself with its straightforward setup process and formidable cooling efficiency, although it could perform better in terms of energy consumption. This robust air conditioner excels in delivering a cool breeze to combat the scorching summer temperatures, offering a blend of advanced features and cooling power unmatched by competitors. It's designed for budget-friendly installation and operation, making it an attractive option for those looking to stay cool without breaking the bank. The unit's design thoughtfully includes wide vents for targeted airflow and a protective grille on the exhaust hose to deter curious critters. Tipping the scales at slightly over 64 pounds, with the bulk of its weight positioned toward the front left, the unit is manageable to transport, albeit with room for improvement in handle design for easier stair climbing. While it may offer a bit more resistance when rolling compared to other models, it maintains a steady course. Setting up the Black & Decker BPACT 14WT is a breeze, typically requiring only 5 to 10 minutes with minimal tools for the initial installation. Its venting system impresses with a versatile range, allowing for lower air direction than many alternatives and adjustable side-to-side vent movement. Perfect for spaces up to 700 square feet, this compact air conditioner, 16.5 inches by 14.06 inches by 27.09 inches, also boasts a user-friendly sliding filter for easy cleaning, efficient automatic moisture evaporation, and a convenient 24-hour timer. All things considered, it earns our approval for those in search of effective and hassle-free cooling solution. For those willing to invest a bit more for top-tier comfort, the Winter ARC 1230WN emerges as a premium portable air conditioner choice in 2024. This dual-hose powerhouse is celebrated for its efficiency in cooling spaces as large as 600 square feet. Reviewers have lauded the Winter ARC 1230WN for outperforming competitors in cooling capacity and user-friendly features during evaluations. This model stands out not just for its cooling prowess, but also for its seamless integration with a sophisticated mobile application. This app elevates user experience by offering granular control over fan speed, directional airflow, and customizable schedule. Moreover, this model introduces geofencing capabilities, enabling the air conditioner to automatically power down or spring to life based on your proximity to your home, enhancing both convenience and energy efficiency. Installation on the Winter ARC1230WN is notably straightforward, courtesy of its cohesive dual-hose system and a user-friendly window kit. Its ease of maneuverability and exceptionally low noise level, recorded at just 58.4 decibels, further contribute to its appeal. While a remote control is provided, the ability to manage settings via a smartphone app adds a layer of modern convenience. Thanks to cutting-edge technology, the Winter ARC1230WN boasts a cooling efficiency 20% higher than its peers, alongside an impressive 40% savings in energy consumption, achieving desired temperatures in half the time. Its unmatched cooling effectiveness positions the Winter ARC1230WN as the unparalleled option in the realm of premium air conditioners. For those prepared to allocate the budget for this high-caliber unit, it represents a sound investment in superior climate control. Thumbs up, that's for sure. Just a quick note, if you're interested in any of the products, I've gone ahead and updated the description below with links to get you the best deals available right now, so make sure to check those out for the most current prices and offers. Up next, we're excited to highlight the LG LP1419 IVSM as the second best choice for those in search of a high-quality portable air conditioner in 2024. The model catches the eye for several reasons. Its adaptability to various window dimensions, ease of mobility, and the convenience of smartphone scheduling and control are just the beginning. Among its peers, it boasts one of the lowest energy consumptions observed in our test, alongside impressive cooling efficiency. Additionally, it's compatible with Google Home and Alexa, enhancing its user-friendly appeal. The LG Smart Wi-Fi portable air conditioner's dual inverter compressor technology is a game-changer, offering variable speed control that significantly enhances energy efficiency compared to traditional on-off system. This advanced feature allows for precise temperature regulation while conserving energy. The convenience extends to your smartphone, which can double as a remote control via the LG ThinkQ app, available for both iOS and Android devices. Maintenance of the LP1419 IVSM is effortlessly straightforward. It features two grills protecting its air filters, both easily removable without tools. The design prioritizes user convenience, with the upper grill featuring a simple lift mechanism. Its sleek design doesn't just look good, it performs quietly too, thanks to dual inverter technology that ensures operation at noise levels as low as 44 dB when idle. This portable AC unit doesn't skimp on customization, offering 4 cooling speeds and an auto-cooling fan to tailor your experience. It's capable of efficiently cooling spaces up to 800 square meters, making it an excellent option for larger areas needing a cool down, especially those filled with heat-generating electronic devices. With its robust BTU capacity and a suite of user-centric features, the LG LP1419 IVSM positions itself as a top contender for anyone looking to enhance their living or working space with efficient and flexible cooling solutions. Our verdict? It's a highly recommendable product for all buyers seeking quality and performance. Good stuff. And now introducing the standout champion in our lineup for the best overall portable air conditioner of 2024, the Winter ARC14S. This unit commands attention with its sleek, monolithic design, reminiscent of a futuristic artifact. Beyond its striking appearance, the Winter ARC14S boasts remarkable efficiency in cooling, a testament to its innovative dual-hose system. Unlike models with a single hose that inadvertently draw warm air into the room, the Winter ARC14S utilizes a dual hose mechanism. This setup ensures that expelled hot air is directly replaced with chilled air, significantly enhancing the cooling process. In testing, it demonstrated superior performance by reducing room temperatures by 3.6 degrees within 2 hours. A notable enhancement would be the inclusion of a continuous drainage feature to prevent the buildup of excess moisture during operation. The unit features a versatile digital thermostat, allowing temperature adjustments from 61 degrees degrees to 89 degrees. An added bonus is the protective cover that comes with the unit, providing a convenient storage solution for the exhaust hose, window kit, remote control, and manual, ensuring your portable AC stays in pristine condition. Crafted to meet the highest environmental and energy efficiency standards, this CFC-free and lead-free air conditioner not only offers a respite from the heat, but also aligns with eco-friendly practices and energy savings. Designed for ease of mobility, the unit rests on durable wheels, facilitating smooth transport across even surfaces. It's advised to position the air conditioner on a sturdy, level base capable of supporting its weight for optimal operation. With its blend of advanced cooling technology, aesthetic design, and environment-conscious features, the Winter ARC14S stands out as an exceptional choice for those seeking effective and sustainable cooling solution. Overall, this model delivers top-notch performance at the best possible price-quality ratio. You wanted the best, you got it.